Hello friends, today we'll talk about Realme's exciting new smartphone, the Realme V60 Pro. In this video, we'll dive deep into its design, performance, camera, battery, and connectivity features. Towards the end, we'll also compare its price and variants. So let's get started. The Realme V60 Pro comes with a premium look. It has a thickness of just 8 millimeters and weighs 197 grams, giving it a sleek and lightweight feel. One of its standout features is its IP68, IP69 certification, making it both dust and water resistant. Its color options, black, red, and gold, add a stylish touch. This build quality is perfect for various environmental conditions. The display of the Realme V60 Pro is also quite impressive. It features a 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth viewing experience. When it comes to performance, the Realme V60 Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, based on 6nm architecture. Its GPU, the Mali G57 MC2, handles heavy gaming and multitasking with ease. For the operating system, you get the latest Android 14 paired with Realme UI 5.0, providing a fast and smooth user experience. In the camera department, the Realme V60 Pro is decent. Its primary camera features a 50-megapixel wide sensor with PDF support, though the secondary camera details are unspecified. The rear camera supports HDR, panorama, and comes with an LED flash, which is great for low-light photography. For selfies, you get an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens that records 1080p at 30 FPS videos. Talking about the battery, the phone packs a massive 5,600 mAh battery. It supports 45 watts fast charging and also has an interesting 5-watt reverse wired charging feature. For security, the Realme V60 Pro has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast and reliable. In terms of connectivity, the phone offers full support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. However, NFC and FM radio are not available. You get a USB Type-C 2.0 port and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is quite convenient. OTG support is also available, allowing you to connect external devices. Now, let's talk about the price and variants of the Realme V60 Pro. It is available in two storage variants. 256GB storage with 12GB RAM, Pakistan 60,900 rupees, India 18,600 rupees. Bangladesh, 26,000 taka. 512GB storage with 12GB RAM, Pakistan, 68,800 rupees, India, 21,000 rupees. Bangladesh, 29,500 taka. At this price range, the phone is a strong contender. Friends, the Realme V60 Pro is a fantastic mid-range phone with powerful performance, a stunning display, and a robust battery. Its design and IP68 certification give it a premium feel. What do you think? Is this phone value for money at this price? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.